Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
I will show you how to link pages in HTML using Notepad step by step. First, create 3 files named index, HTML about, HTML contact, HTML in one folder. Open Notepad and type a basic HTML structure in each file. Use doctype HTML, HTML, head, title, and body tags for clarity. Save each file using Save As and choose UTF-8 encoding. Make sure the file extension is HTML not TXT to render correctly. Keep file names lowercase and avoid spaces for simpler linking. Now we will add links. Open index HTML in Notepad and place links inside the body area where appropriate. Use the anchor tag href equals about, HTML about / for a relative link example. For an external site, use a full URL like https://example. Com in href attribute. Add target equals blank to open links in a new tab when desired. You can link to page sections by using ID attributes and href equals #section ID. To link images, wrap an img src equals photo. JPG alt equals photo tag inside an anchor tag. Save and open index. HTML in any browser to test each link works correctly. If files are in subfolders, use relative paths like pages/about, HTML or /contact, HTML. Broken links show 404 errors or do not navigate when clicked. Check spelling, correct file extensions, and proper folder names to fix those errors. Use descriptive link text like learn more or contact us for better accessibility. Always include alt attributes for linked images and title attributes for helpful context. Keep your files organized, test links in multiple browsers, and validate your HTML. Now, you can build simple multi-page sites using Notepad and basic anchor tags.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.